My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a yoga for men routine focusing on hip stretches for flexibility and mobility. Also, working on loosening up your tight lower back, up the spine, into the shoulders. We're going to be actually working everything through these hip stretches. Today's random question is, who is the greatest running back of all time? Let us know in the comments below. All right, let's begin. Modify as needed. Always use control. No weights, no machines, no equipment of any kind needed. Just your body weight. We're going to start in a butterfly stretch. Bring the bottoms of the feet together. You can always bring the knees up here if you're feeling a little stiff. That's why we are here. Wherever you are, you're going to start, and it's only going to get better and better with consistency. Hands on the feet. Relax the shoulders. Going to keep the upper body nice and loose, focusing on alignment while we do these movements that anybody can do. Drop the shoulders. You can use your elbows to gently open your hips. Feel the groin also, the psoas, the groin, the outer thighs, the hamstrings, the low back. Now, this is a classic butterfly stretch. Most of us have done this stretch before, probably in gym class, in PE class, in school. Usually you do like this ballistic stretch, but let's exhale into it. We're gonna add some movement, making it more dynamic and more effective. We're gonna add some twists. So when you're ready, twisting side to side. Inhale to the center, exhale, twist. Keeping the shoulders back and down. Again, the knees can be up here, that's fine. If you feel really extra tight or you feel a cramp coming on, take the legs out and shake them. The beautiful luxury of body weight only fitness, you can make little alterations, little modifications, add-ons, just like that, just like that. Got a big gator sunning himself way over there on the shoreline. Let me know if he starts coming close to our set. So adding the twist, hand on the knee or bring the arm across. As that happens, with the movement, you start to loosen up. The hips start to relax a little more. Balancing them out. Inhale, exhale. One more time each side. And right into the rocking butterfly. I want to rock and roll my butterfly all night. That does not sound fun at all. Side to side. You can also bring the forearms down if you want, the elbows down. Back and forth. You also get a little surreptitious glute massage here. Back and forth. Shoulders are down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. We're going to be moving around your range of motions, doing a nice little flexibility stew here. Our job is to youthen the body. The hips are a definite target point. The hips get very tight. It creeps into your glutes, creeps into your lower back, your groin, your psoas, hamstrings, shoulders. All right, now rock to the side. Wherever you are, place the hand here. If you're lower, you can bring your forearm down. Place the hand on this other knee. Now with each exhale, take it easy. Take it easy. Exhale, press. Each exhale just a little bit. You know best. Your mind is recording all of this, what's going on here. But you know, our yoga, our flexibility, our mobility training is here to elevate. It's here to elevate all that we have. So think about that. Every time you're breathing into a stretch, you're breathing into a flow. It's always here, elevating the mind, the body, the spirit, perhaps. It's a great template for great things. One more breath, pressing down, pressing down. Again, if you feel that cramping coming on, jump up and down and go woo, or just shake it out. Little Ric Flair there. All right, pressing this leg down. Space, the final frontier. Space in this area. Expansion. Words, phrases. But that's what you're doing, creating space around the joints. Movement in the joints. Still waters back there. Too quiet. Exhale, press down. Starting to sweat. It's very, very wet out here in Florida, but it's a beautiful day. Great day to make some great things happen here. One more breath. All right. Very important. Take the legs forward. If you haven't already, shake them out. Shake out the upper body, shake out the arm. Look at that duck back there. Moving into a hurdle stretch. Take either leg forward, other foot comes in to the inner thigh right above the knee. Instead of going this way, we're gonna take the hands forward. Now very slowly, at your own discretion of course, you're gonna walk the hands forward. You can add movement, so you exhale forward, adding a hinge, inhale, lifting up. That's up to you. You have the hands here for support to guide you through the most comfortable version of this movement. I shouldn't say most comfortable, most appropriate for you, right? Setting yourself up to keep improving. Inhale up, exhale, lengthen. Lengthen the spine. So instead of just dropping down, stretch it out. Drop your shoulders and hinge. And hinge. We have a couple really unique exercise stretches coming up. You're not going to want to miss them. I haven't done these before. I don't think I've done this one before either, but I've been toying around with these stretches at night, and this one, it's like you're unlocking something in a game, in life. You're unlocking a new movement here that instantly adds some space, some mobility, some flexibility to some areas that might be tight. And walk it up. Let's go to the other side. Hurdle stretch, little grass on the mat. Sounds like a country song. Mud on the tires, grass on the mat, right? When you're ready, start that movement. I might have a little leg up on you because I practice this stuff a lot, so you don't want to try to copy me. Sometimes, you're watching these videos, these instructors, you don't want to necessarily copy what they're doing. You want to see what they're doing and then make it your own. So use those hands for support. Okay, shoulders back, open the chest. 2 more times. Explore that space, my friends. 1 more time. And walk it up, moving into the merman perhaps. Shake out the legs first. Oh, the gator is in the water. See what happens. Here's what we're gonna do, a merman stretch. Leg forward, knees are bent right here. Have the hands down. This might be a lot right here, so work on this. Hold it right here, move a little bit, use the hands, or you can hinge forward. Exhale forward, inhale lift. So we're adding some nice core work to this, some lower back work, lengthening and decompressing the spine. You can also take the hands up here, big hinge, working the back quite a bit more, taking out the support. Exhale forward, inhale lift. Give you several different variations on the theme, on the stretch, on the pose, so you know what to work up to. With consistency, doing it daily, you will work up to these quite quickly. 1 more time. Hinge. Oh, bring it up. Switch to the other side. Mermaid, merman. And then explore it. Add the hinge if you like. But use the breath. Go into it with the breath. Exhale forward. Inhale lift. This one is always a challenge for me. Definitely a beautiful combination of core strength and flexibility training. And quad action along here. The quads are rippling, they're moving. Uh-oh, there's a local bike club, the bike gang. Watch out for them. I bet they wish they were doing this. Let's do it 2 more times, my friend. What's that over there? Okay, it's just a turkey. There's a lot of wild turkeys around here. Not the drink, the actual turkey. All right, down, down, down. Oh, bring it up, swivel around, shake out the legs. Shake out the arms. Okay, here's the deal. I don't know why I said that. We're just going to keep going. We're going into a pigeon now. That's the definite natural step from the merman. So you're going to slide that right leg back, open up the left hip to the best of your ability. Choose where you want that foot. Going to do some sways in our pigeon. You're welcome to hold pigeon here with the hands down or forearms down or arms down, massaging the glute, the hip, the lower back, all that. Now a little variation we can add to this are the sways. Once you're feeling loose in your pigeon, take the hands out to the sides and we press over, extending this arm, bending this elbow. Inhale, center, and then other side. Find a good width for the arm so you're getting this fantastic shoulder and back stretch while you are wildly opening and massaging your hips, your glutes, your groin, your psoas, your quads, your hip flexors, everything. Exhale. One more time each side. Press down. Get a nice lift in the center and then sink it down, releasing the chest. And then other side. How we doing back there? Okay. Pigeon, other side. We'll give you this view right here. How exciting. Well, thanks, Coach Vigue. I wasn't expecting that. And then find your variation. What are we doing? Okay, I was practicing this last night in my living room. I was mapping out this exercise, this flow, this video. Stretch that arm, dropping the shoulder down. Keeping a little bend in this elbow. Oh man, your life will never be the same. I know mine won't after this. Wow. Beautiful stretch in the shoulder blades. Really digging in there underneath my wings back there, our shoulder blades. Creating some space, some movement, some blood flow. One more time each side. Oh, remarkable. Okay. I'm a new man. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. We're gonna do one more. You don't wanna miss this one. Do not miss this one. Share this with your buddies, your teammates, your coaches, your teachers. This, my friend, is called lunge push-ups. Going into a lunge, which in itself is fantastic for your quad, your hip flexors, your glutes, your balance, your core. This knee can drop down, can hold the lunge right here, or tuck the toe, bring it up. Right foot forward, stagger the feet, bend in the knee not going over the toes. You want to keep it right about here. Now you could hold it right here, adding some movement. Start like that. This is called lunge push-ups. Lunge push-ups. I heard somebody say, what? Lunge push-ups. Have you gone mad? Perhaps. I'm mad with movement, my friends. Life-giving, youthening, energizing movement. Now place this hand down right here. We're gonna bend this elbow, dropping down. Feel that stretch in the legs, working the shoulder, the arm, and then exhale, press up. Let's do 5 more. Exhale. What am I saying? Inhale down, exhale up. That'll work. Lunge push-ups. What do you think about this one? In addition to your favorite running back or the greatest running back of all time below, let me know what you think of this one. One more time. Down, let's hold it right here. 3 breaths. Moving a little side to side. This arm can grab the leg. You can always bring the arm up too for more of a challenge. I'm gonna keep it right here. This exercise is still a little new to me. I wanna make sure I do it to the best of my ability. Good control, good balance, good flow. And press up. Now step back to downward facing dog. Big hands. Shake out the legs. Let the sweat drip and run down. We move the hips side to side. Good, hold here for a few more breaths. Great stretch for your back, your hamstrings, your glutes, your shoulders, everything in the back of your body. After this, I'm taking my son to a birthday party. He's of the age now where he's getting invited to all these parties. So a lot of times I'm the token dad there. It's me and the moms. So I'll bring this routine with me. That'll be fun. All right, when you're ready, left foot forward. We have lunge on the other side. Oh, what a beautiful day, boss. Fun, shouldn't talk here. Okay, hold the lunge, my friends, or go into those beautiful push-ups. Six of them. Inhale down. Exhale, press it up. Stretch that arm, working the tricep, the shoulder, stretching the back leg. 6 times. Here's 2. 3, slow and steady. Use control, use precision in everything you do, especially when you're on the mat. Down. And one more time. Press, hold for 3 breaths. Lots of breath, breathing in the nose, or out the mouth. Use that breath. All right, my friends, press up. Take it back, child's pose. Beautiful workout, pressing back. If this video helped, please click that like button. It really helps this flow get out to many, many more people. I appreciate that. Subscribe and click that notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. And remember, today's random question is, who is the greatest running back of all time? I thought about it for a while. There's a lot of them. I'm going to say Barry Sanders, who I bumped into at a movie theater in Wichita, Kansas back in 1998. Maybe that's why. All right. God bless you, my friends. Great work. Keep practicing. And as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.